What's up, everybody? I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. When people talk about investing, most of the time, they're talking about stock market investing. Now, you're never guaranteed to make money when you invest in the stock market, so you want to make sure you do your own research. But here are 5 tips you can use to help you profit from the stock market. Oh, and I have to tell you, I'm not a financial planner or an accountant. I'm just a small-time YouTuber. So with that, let's get started. First, it's not always about what you buy that matters, but when you buy. You can buy shares of the most profitable company in the world, but if you buy in right before an economic crisis, well, the entire stock market will come down, and that means your amazing stock will go down too. So that means don't chase stocks. Wait for the market to come down before you pull the trigger to buy. So how are you supposed to know when it's a good time to buy? Well, you know how when you're watching the news and everybody's talking about how the stock market is soaring and how people are making tons of money in the stock market, so you have to buy now? Yeah, that's exactly when you should not buy. I know it's tempting to buy when the media is reporting about all these people making so much money in the stock market, but I need you to trust me on this one. The last thing you want to do is play catch up when it comes to investing. Stocks are like every other asset in that they follow economic cycles. There are times when the stock market's gonna go up, which is called a bullish market, and there's time when the stock market's gonna come down, which is called a bearish market, and then in the middle, you're gonna have a bunch of small little corrections. You have to be patient. What goes up must come down, and that doesn't just apply to apples falling on people's heads. Here's a very simple way to put it. Buy a strong company when the economy is weak. Number 2, buy for the long term. Remember, we're talking about stock market investing, not stock market trading. Buying a stock at 9 a.m. and then selling it at 2 p.m. that same day, that's not investing. And investing is when you buy a company and you have the mindset to hold it for at least a year. 1 year? You crazy? That's like 365 days away. Yeah, that's what investing is. You want to buy a stock and then hold it so your company has time to grow and make you more money. Plus, you don't want to be tempted to sell your stock every time there's a down day in the market. Oh, the market's down 3%. I need to sell. Remember, economic cycles happen. Your stock might come down a little bit. Stay calm. Third, invest in chunks. I don't care how smart you are. Nobody, and I mean nobody, can accurately predict what's going to happen in the stock market 100% of the time. We'll never be able to predict if the stock market is at the top or the bottom. So instead of investing all of your money at once, you should buy and sell in smaller chunks. So here's what that means. If you want to buy $12,000 worth of shares of a particular company, you can start off by buying $3,000 when the price hits your target buying price. Then if the stock price goes down, you can buy $3,000 more and then another $3,000. This way, if the stock price goes down big, you can still buy more. If you're unfamiliar with how to actually buy and sell the stocks, you have to use a brokerage. There's a bunch of them out there. One example is TradeKing.com. They're an online brokerage. TradeKing.com has an online learning portal so you can do research on companies for free, and then when you figure out what you want to buy, all you got to do is enter in which stock you want to buy and how many shares, and boom, you're done. And as a little bonus, TradeKing.com is giving Minority Mindset followers $100 of free trades if you use a link in the caption. So I have it there. If you want to learn more, check it out. The link is in the caption below. Fourth, if you don't want to wait until you sell your stock to cash in, you can also invest in my personal favorite, dividend paying stocks. Not every company and stock pays a dividend. That means you're going to have to do a little bit of research to see if your company and stock is going to pay you a dividend or not. Now, if these companies do pay you a dividend, that means they're going to pay you every single year just for owning the stock. All you have to do is buy shares of it, and every year they're going to give you money. Here's some money for you, here's some money for you, and here's $1 for you too. Most companies pay a quarterly dividend, meaning they pay you every 3 months, and the amount each company pays is going to vary from company to company. And fifth, when you're trying to sell a stock, don't get greedy, guys. Please, just don't do it. It's not worth it. Nobody can accurately predict when a stock has reached its peak, so don't try to time the best time to sell a stock. Remember, green is green. If you make a profit, take it. Don't look back after you sell. And remember, you can sell your stock in chunks too. So if you think the company might go higher, you can sell a portion of it today and then sell some of it later if you think it's going to keep going up. I wrote an ebook on money and investing. If you haven't read it yet, you can read it for free by clicking the link right here or by clicking the link in the caption below. And remember, I'm not telling you what to do. These are just some of my tips, so make sure you do your own research. What's up guys, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and do you have any stock market questions or tips? Let me know in the comments below. Don't miss any new videos on entrepreneurship, business and money every single week, so hit the subscribe button below or hit this button right here even if you're on your phone. Follow me on Snapchat over here and follow us on Instagram down here, and check out some of our latest videos by clicking these buttons below.